What's up, YouTube? Shades back here again with the Corvette boys. Today we're going to be working on the yellow C6. Like I said before, she's a little dirty, so we're going to work on cleaning the wheels today. We're going to give her a nice wash, and I'm also going to try it. Like, as you can see, I'm wiping it now, and brake dust is coming off. So we're going to give it a nice wash, and we're also going to try to get some of this dirt off of it as well in different techniques. I'm going to try a few different things. First, I'm going to try to wash it, of course. I got some regular Armor All wash. For you guys that don't know, always use a grit guard. If you could see it, let me see if I could move the water so you can see it. There it is. It's in there. Always use a grit guard. A grit guard is going to keep you from taking any dirt and residue that come off of the wheels and putting them back on it. So that way, when you have your mitten, it's a regular mitt like this. You take it, once it's full of dirt, you rub it on the grit guard and you take it back out. So we're going to try that. We're going to wash them first. I got some regular gloves here. You guys know I love using my gloves to keep my hands from getting wet or any kind of oil or anything like that. Then also we're going to take them and spray some regular Armor All glass cleaner on them. If that doesn't take it off, we're going to try to lightly buff it with like a little small buffing wheel. And you can get this at any hardware store or probably more likely at AutoZone or anything like that. This is a nice soft one we have. I'm not going to go crazy. And I'll try it with some Ultra Cut compound. Just regular Meguiar's once again, just lightly, not a whole bunch of it. And then I've also in the past, for you guys that don't know, Adams makes a really good butter wax. Now I'm not sure if you're going to be able to find this at any AutoZone. It's kind of hard to find, not going to lie to you. Better to probably order it off of line. I found a hard time finding it, but I found it at some place in New Jersey that's kind of far away. I forgot exactly where. But it's really good. I've always used it for different, pieces of dirt and stuff, or areas of dirt that feel smooth that wouldn't come off, like right here and stuff, and it would take it out. So we're going to try all these things, and we're going to see if we can just pretty much get them all, get them back shining, get them back to their regular shiny glory that they were before. And as always, use warm water instead of cold water. Warm water always will cut through the dirt and different compounds and brake dust that build up on your wheel better than cold water will, of course. Alright, so we're going to get started here. First, I'm going to give it a quick wash and have you guys watch me do a quick wash, so stay tuned. Guys, so first I'm going to start out with a quick wash. I'm going to use my mitt that I have here, like this little glove mitt. It's real nice to put some gloves on first because it's cold out here and I don't want my hands getting wet as well. So, give it a nice quick little wash. I'll probably fast forward this for you guys so it'll be a lot quicker. It's always good, even if you clean the mitt beforehand, to rub it on there and clean it on the grit guard before you rub it on any surface, because you want to make sure it's nice and clean and there's nothing on it. And as you see, my water it's a little hot. Better hot than cold. Alright guys, so I'm going to lift you guys up so you can see, even after washing them off real nice, there's a little soap in my hand. There's still a few areas, like right here, maybe a little hard to see on camera, that have a few areas of a little bit of dirt, especially like right around here, as you can see. Maybe, like I said, maybe a little hard to see on camera. Let me flip the lens to see if you guys can see it. Yeah, like right around here. You can see that there's some. Oh yeah, you can see it on camera. Okay, so like right around here, there's a few areas, and like some right here. I'm gonna try to get those out. So we're gonna dry these off, and then we're gonna try to. You know what we'll do? We'll go straight to the little buffer. and we'll try to put the buffer on it, and we'll see if we can get some of these areas out just lightly, and we'll see what works best. Alright, So now we have the drill hooked up. Try to get a little bit of compound on here and see if we can clean them up just a little bit. Shake it up first, and I'll try to put a little bit of compound on here. Not a whole lot. This stuff's very thick. If you guys didn't know, it's very, very thick. Let me see. Usually most times what this stuff does is it won't come out the top. So let me see if it will. If not, I'll probably have to open the top. That's some of the main problems you'll run into with compound. It's just so thick, as you see right there, that it'll clog the top up. So take a moderate amount, just put it on there. I'm not gonna put a lot on there. Unless you guys see that. Not too crazy. Just a little bit. And don't go like full power on the drill either. Just kind of like lightly go around and do it. Alright, so we're going to wipe them and see kind of a little bit of a difference that we have here on them. And, oh yeah, guys, you could definitely see a huge difference right there. From right here to right here. Now this isn't like, as you can see, I know you guys can see on the camera, it's not like dried up water or anything. As you see, it's not coming off. This is how it looked when I first got them, and this is how it's looked, you know, from over time of, you know, driving the car and stuff. So it's definitely working. A little bit of cutting compound on the drill. Like I said, I'm only using regular McGuire's. Not a whole lot, just a little bit on the end. As you see, it's not like kicked on there. It's just a little spot. And I lightly went around it, and as you see, it made a huge difference. So I'm gonna go from here, and I'm gonna do different spots, like this area here, and this area in the corner. I'm gonna try to get a little better right here, and we'll show up and catch up with you guys when I do pretty much the whole wheel. Stay tuned. Pound. Yep, that's on the reel. As you see, it's looking good. I went over a second time, and pretty much in all the areas, and it's looking really good. Tomorrow, if you catch up on tomorrow's episode, I'm going to do the barrel and show you guys how to clean the barrel on the inside. So for right now, we're just going to do the face, because the dark is catching up with us, y'all, again. In summertime, we'll be able to stay out here pretty much all night. So, man, that looks crazy. It looks a lot better. So it's pretty much a complete day and night difference if you look at it closely, and the more time you have, the better you can do of it. I took my time really and went over it. Now, depending on whoever's wheel and what kind of wheel and what kind of design you have on it, you may need a different kind of ball. Mine's a pretty standard one because mine are pretty flat. As you can see, they're robust in certain areas, but I can pretty much get around the whole thing with the kind of ball that I have. Some of you guys may need the pointier balls or different shaped ones to get certain areas if need be, because your rims are shaped differently. So like I said, if you pretty much go to your local AutoZone, you'll pretty much find out which ones you need by you know, scoping them out. They'll have quite a few different sizes there and different ones and different shapes and stuff that you could choose from. For right now, I'm just wiping them down pretty good, to get most of the compound off. You'll see some in certain areas, and I'm going to get that off when I go over with the Windex, and I'll really clean them up for you guys. Alright guys, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to finish it off with some regular glass cleaner. Don't use anything like Rain-X or anything that has any acetone in it. Depending on what kind of finish you have on your wheels, you don't want to strip it off, especially with black wheels or some chrome wheels as well. So just use regular glass cleaner. Windex is good too. I had a brand new thing of, Armor All glass cleaner, so we're going to rock with this one today. So I'm going to turn them on and just take a nice, lightly spray over them. And to show you guys, I wasn't kidding about the microfiber thing. I have a brand new one right here. Use different microfiber rags for different things. Always take the tag off the end, so you can get your finger in there. Take it off. Alright, perfect. Comes off there. Grace, get off there. Get out of there. Goodness. Alright, fold them over and just wipe them off gently. And look at that shine there, guys. Look at that. They look like a brand new set of wheels. Look at that right there. Absolutely beautiful. Just a little time and a little effort with the buffing wheel, and it makes such a beautiful result, as you can see there. Now there may be some areas that are little trouble spots that you'll have to get, and little crevices and stuff. You just go back over, take your time nicely, go back over them, and knock them on out. It's not a rush process, it's not a race. Just take your time and do them, and you'll have beautiful results. And I'm going to fast forward some of this for you guys, that way you can enjoy the rest of this wiping down and what the after results are, and then we'll definitely show you what it looks like when we're done. Alright guys, that's pretty much your finished result right there. It's pretty much as good as it's going to get. If you can tell me, if you see anything on them, they're pretty much as clean as possibly be. Like I said, you'll have a few areas, some little trouble spots and stuff like that. Just take your time, go back over them. Get different size wheels if need be, and you'll be able to knock them all out. Certain areas that I'll have to work on with these wheels to get all of it off as well. I'll have a few areas that I need to work on, especially around the valve stem area. I'll have to take my time and go around here with a different kind of wheel that's a little more pointier. If we catch up next time, which is going to be tomorrow, we're going to do the barrel. I'm thinking about painting them. If not, we're going to try to buff them and see if they come out fine. As well as that, still deciding on what I want to do for the wheels for future reference. Like I said, I'm going to be experimenting with these. I may end up getting a new pair, which I'm definitely thinking about. I'll put up a poll up in the left or the right hand side of the screen. You guys tell me whether it should be black on yellow or chrome on yellow. So until next time, remember to like, comment, subscribe. And as always, we'll be back with more future and good content. And until next time, we'll see you guys again with another exclusive videos from the Corvette Boys.